Hi everyone, today we are going to take a look at the 3 best smart power strips in the market. We'll talk about what you should look for before buying smart power strips. You can find timestamps and links to order the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. At number 3, TrickleStar Advanced Power Strip. Allows you to control supplied power to electronics in your entertainment system. Offers superb power management for home office and commercial workspace applications. Includes advanced surge protection technology with ceramic encased metal oxide varistas that suppress more energy and dissipate heat faster than traditional surge protectors. An energy-saving smart power strip that lowers your operating costs by reducing standby power waste. Outlets are very close to one another. Instructions may be tough to follow. At number 2, Nektek Power Strip. Protects computers, household electronics, and other devices from power surges and lightning strikes. Compatible with a variety of devices. Designed with overheat, overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection. Equipped with a convenient 9.3-foot cord and 3 USB ports. A smart power strip that comes with 6 surge-protected AC outlets. Plugs frequently fall out of the power strip. Bright light on the end of the power strip can be annoying. At number 1, TONBUX Smart Power Strip. Equipped with 4 outlets and 4 USB charging ports for charging smartphones, tablets and other gadgets. Offers built-in Wi-Fi capabilities. No hub is required. Comes with built-in leakage and an overload protection switch for added safety. Easy to use right out of the box. A smart power strip that combines affordability, quality, and dependability. Sometimes can be tough to connect to Wi-Fi. Offers less durability than many comparable options. Thanks for watching. For more details follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.